Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer logs to CloudWatch from EC2 with agents, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer logs to CloudWatch from EC2 using agents, begin by accessing your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Select the instance you want to configure for log transfer. Make sure that the EC2 instance has an IAM role with permissions to access CloudWatch. If it does not, create a new IAM role or modify the existing one. Attach the necessary policies, specifically the CloudWatch agent policy. Next, connect to your EC2 instance using SSH. Update your instance's package manager to ensure it has the latest packages. Install the CloudWatch agent using the appropriate command for your OS. For Amazon Linux, use the command sudo yum install Amazon CloudWatch agent. For Ubuntu, use sudo apt-get install Amazon CloudWatch agent. Once installed, create the CloudWatch agent configuration file. You can either write this manually or use the provided wizard. If using the wizard, run sudo -op/aws/amazon CloudWatch agent /bin/amazon CloudWatch agent config wizard. Follow the prompts to choose the logs you want to monitor and set options accordingly. Save the configuration file to the default location. Now start the CloudWatch agent service using the command sudo systemcl start Amazon CloudWatch agent. Enable the service to run on boot with sudo systemcl enable Amazon CloudWatch agent. Next, confirm that the agent is running correctly. You can check its status by running sudo systemcl status Amazon CloudWatch agent. Navigate to the CloudWatch console. Select the logs section to verify that the logs from your EC2 instance are being sent. Check that the log streams are created as per your configuration. If you need to troubleshoot, refer to the CloudWatch agent logs located in /var/log/amazon/ssm/. You can also make adjustments to the configuration file if necessary. Save your changes and restart the CloudWatch agent for modifications to take effect. With these steps completed, your EC2 instance should now successfully transfer logs to CloudWatch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.